I think graphically, like obviously we've got this sort of like old tattoo scattered image thing going on right now, and that's cool. In my experience with doing all the branding for Hi There up until this point, I've just been like, I draw these things and I drag them around forever until you compositionally are like, okay, that's cool and fine.
Okay,
Um,
I like it. I mean, I'm digging it.
so we'll drag the elements out. We'll make that its own object.
I'll
We'll
do a
group
boring
it.
Figma thing and just make this thing resize itself with the box. So all I'm doing there is selecting this box and going, changing the resizing width to what's called fill container, which will make sure that this text box fills the container or the frame that it's inside of.
Mm-hmm.
So that way we can go do 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 do. Oh, cool. It goes the wrong way. I drag it this way and it goes that way. That's not what I expected to happen.
No, isn't that natural flow
Wait,
scrolling?
this is really what I wanted. There we go.
Okay.
I get it. Because I was selecting the frame inside of it. So anyway, yay.
I like it. It's like magic.
It's kind of like magic.
It's a little bit like magic.
It's a little.
Come on. I don't want to toot my own clarinet over here, but design's a little bit like magic. It's a lot of research and just a little bit of magic is what I always tell my clients.
Yeah, that's the. Yeah, it's a little secret. A little secret magic kind of floating around in there. We didn't
And
do a
they'll say,
whole.
"What is your proprietary design process that you use to make digital products successfully?" And I look at them and I say, "You know what? It's a little bit of magic.
It's just a little bit of magic. A little bit of strange magic. As.
A little bit of strange magic and a lot of trust and friendship."
Mhm. I like the
Oh
friendship part.
shit.
I've used the trust angle before, but friendship I think brings it to a new level.
Well, and when you say that, that's when you sort of like reach out and like across the boardroom table and get your hand on theirs and you confer to them eye to eye like I'm here for friendship, not money. Oh, right, the mobile build.
I'm
You were
yeah,
doing some
we
cool
haven't
stuff